Hello friends! So glad to welcome you back to my channel. Today I'm sharing one of my favorite ways to prepare eggplant. Slice one large eggplant into thin slices. Make the marinade. Pour about 3 tablespoons of olive oil into a small bowl. Add a pinch of salt. Sprinkle in some smoked paprika. Add a little cumin. Cut a lemon in half. Squeeze the juice from one half. Stir it well. The marinade is ready. Place 1 slice of eggplant on baking paper. Brush it with the marinade. Flip it over and brush the other side. Place the next slice and coat it well on both sides. Repeat the same with all the slices. Don't miss out, my friends. Hit subscribe and stay with me for more cozy recipes. Finish brushing the slices. Bake them in the air fryer. Set the temperature to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 15 minutes. Prepare the filling. Take 200 grams of soft cheese, traditional or vegan. Add 2 cloves of garlic. Grate in a little lemon zest. Chop 50 grams of walnuts into small pieces. If you like, use any other nuts instead. If you enjoy this video, give it a like. Your support means so much to me. Add the nuts to the cheese. Chop a bunch of fresh basil. Add the herbs to the bowl. Season with a little salt. Mix gently until combined. Meanwhile, the eggplant slices are ready. Wonderful! Just the way we need them. Place 1 baked slice on a plate. Add a spoonful of filling on one end. Roll it up gently. Do the same with all the slices. Beautiful eggplant rolls are coming together. Tell me in the comments which country you are watching from. The aroma is irresistible. Makes you want to taste it right away. Chop 1 sweet pepper. If you like more heat, add a chili pepper too. Put the pepper into a deep bowl. Chop a red onion. Shallots or white onion can be used instead. Add the onion to the bowl. Dice 3 small tomatoes. Cherry, pink, or any kind you prefer will work. Add the tomatoes to the other vegetables. Chop the garlic. 4 to 5 cloves are enough. Add the garlic to the bowl. Season with a pinch of salt. Add a little smoked paprika. Sprinkle in some cumin. Add dried oregano or your favorite spices. Grind in some black pepper. Drizzle with olive oil. Mix everything well. Spread the vegetables on baking paper. Bake them in the air fryer. Set the temperature to 200 degrees Celsius or 390 degrees Fahrenheit and bake for 15 minutes. Take out the roasted vegetables. Place them in a blender. Blend until smooth. Spread the vegetable mixture on a plate. Smooth it out evenly. Arrange the eggplant rolls on top. Optionally drizzle with your favorite sauce, herbs, or a little cheese. Delicious! I hope you enjoyed cooking this dish. Don't forget to subscribe and give this video a like so you won't miss me. Share this simple and healthy recipe with your friends. It was such a joy to cook with you today. I look forward to your comments. Let me know if you try this recipe at home. See you in the next videos.